Alright, we're out at the Citadel. Fight some crowds. Got men's downstairs, got kids, women's section upstairs. And we got 40% off the back wall. I forgot they be having a heat wall right here sometimes. Let's see what's going on right here. Nothing too crazy. Got Protro 3s right here. Got the Halo colorway. Got the lows going for $190. Got the 4 women 4s right here. These are 9.5 women's. Do got these bad boys right here. Do got these GT Cut 4s, 150 no additional discounts, 1 highs, and then Kobe's. Alright, let's check out the back wall. What's up right here? Size 11, 135 for these, 40% off, 135. So is that like 80 bucks or something like that? Checking the 10.5 section, see if they have any for crazy cheap. $100 for the mids. Metcons $975. Jaw 2's $85. What are these down here? Some Jordan hairs. I was like, these signatures or something? I don't know. But yeah, $70 for these. Size 9 Jordan 4 RMs, $80. Liftoffs, what the hell are these? $85. Got these Protro size 10 right here, $170. The size 10 here as well. Oh, that other one was a 10, my bad. We got the book 1s, $120. These Air Max 90s are interesting. Kind of have that worn look. Not a fan of that. $110 for those. Those are Air Max 90 Premium. This spot always got decent crowds. Not as bad today as some other days. Oh, I thought these were some dunks. Some Gatos right here, $115. React Pegasus Trails, $100. Getting to the smaller sizes, 2017s, $135. Got dunks down here, Gray Fall, Smoke Gray, $90, size 9. City shoes right here, $60. Spiridons, oh, those are awful looking, $125. Jordan 4 RMs, these are 9.5, and these are definitely not Jordan 4 RMs, these are separates. Vomero 5s, these are Quick Strike. Oh, damn, those are not dope looking. $160. 40% off apparel. Well, clearance apparel. That is this the same stuff that we saw like 2 months ago? James Jr. $175. I don't know who the hell that is. Got a bunch of the Total 90 stuff that matches their indoor soccer shoe, right? Like a whole line of those. $60. Joe Burrow college jersey, $130. 24/7 jacket right here, $110. What the hell is this? Nike, the Goddess of Victory. What the hell? $35. The Mamba jackets that we've been seeing everywhere in all white, $60. So is that $36? Mamba jerseys. We've been seeing like all the Mamba stuff lately. The quality of them have been hella mediocre. I think that's why people are buying them. $55. Like this jacket's like so freaking thin, and is it starting to yellow already? No. That's like where it's like stitched and stuff, I think. Another 24/7 jackets right here, $110. You see a bunch of those. More of the Mamba hoodies. Are they going for $60? Normally $80. Rams hoodies right here, $105. I'm not seeing too much great stuff, to be honest. All right, let's knock out the back wall 11 and above. These are the Vomeros that we saw earlier. I need to wear my Fresh Foam Moors one day and then try to compare these. Actually, the Vomero 18s, I should bring my 1080s, the New Balance 1080s, and then I can compare to see which one feels better. These, another one of the Jordan 40s? Nah, Zoom separates. Why is the box so nice on these? These do have Zoom Air on them. But yeah, definitely not paying regular price, even with the 40 off. I think I got one for like $30-something a while back. Vomero Roams right here, the huge ones. $190 for these. Got these dunks, the gray ones, size 12, $90. 12 and above section, finally seeing some extended size pricing. I feel like the last few Nike outlets I've been to have not been seeing that. Because is it on anything good or just these generic stuff like the Quest 5s? Books right here, don't see no sales sign on that one. These Air Maxes that we saw in smaller size, no extended size, love. The bronze 120. These, what are these, the Lucas? Yeah, the Luca 7.7s right here, 105. And like I said, I don't think it's off of, I don't think you're getting the extended size pricing on anything good. I don't think they've gotten like the crazy shipments quite yet. Is that the Max Fly right here? What is this? Oh, these are the sprinting spikes right here. This does get extended size pricing, but all the track shoes always go hella cheap. Size 15, 25, okay, finally seeing some decent sales. Jordan 2.3s, 110. Air Max 90s right here. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. $80. Pegasus 41s, 120. Budget Saka cleats right here, $100. Is that like the 99 balloons? That was like the fastest version of that. Okay. More extended size pricing right here. City shoes right here. Nothing super hyped up, but $40? $40 for those? If you're a size 12, that's not bad. $40. So that's what, 24 bucks after the savings. Holy crap. All right, don't even have spaces to sit. All right, let's go check out the aisles. And then the first aisle right here do got a bunch of the non-signature Jordans over here. I was like, what is this? What is this? The 23? Nope. Jordan 3s, lows, patent leather, shattered backboard lows. Got some mids, SEs, almost the Baron colorway, not really. KD 18, budget signature basketball shoes over here. Got a ton of the Witness. Can you believe we saw those for what, $24 or something like that? At Watts, that's kind of crazy. Next gens right here. Got the GT Hustles right here. That's one of the cheapest prices we've ever seen these. These retail for like 160, 180 or something like that. That's not bad. Light Legacies. Got Dunks. Another pair of Dunks. Air Max 2017s. All gray right here. This one with the hit of pink. Juvenate slides. Got some budget Benassis. Budget Jordan slides right here. Of course, they always have to have Air Max 270s. I feel like we've been seeing these Air Max 90s, these three colorways at every Nike outlet. Took someone asking one of the workers for the Panda Dunks. Casual shoe lovers still. Well, I guess they're not shoe lovers, they're casual. But yeah, just the casual people, a lot of them still like them, man. They got the Kobe's right here. A1s, 40% off. Kobe Elite Highs. Got lows. Running shoes over here. Infinity Run 4s. Like, these haven't come out in forever. Did they just recently make these? 2025, so they were still making these, because I thought the Pegasus and stuff, they took over, but I guess they were still making them. I don't know. A while back they had all the Vomeros and stuff right here. I don't see any of those, just a bunch of Pegasus and stuff. None of the Vomeros anymore. I guess they hit the back wall. And lately they've been really pushing these free Metcon 5s as well as these Metcons, trying to get that athletic image again, I guess. So I feel like they were pushing that casual stuff like big time for a while. Now they're trying to emphasize athleticism and all that athletic stuff. But yeah, they got shorts. Nothing too impressive about their shorts, to be honest. And then t-shirts as well, all 40% off. A ton of graphic tees. We took a look at these earlier. Mentioned earlier, upstairs is the kids section right there, and then the women's section right there. 40% off the clearance, and do see some extended size pricing in the women's bigger sizes. The great price tag, $70 for these Jordan 1s. I feel like they've had these for months. Got Dunks right here, go for $70. These are all 11.5. Women's, these are definitely not Jordan 1 mids. These are Jordan 1 mids right here, $70 for those. Remember, 40 off. These are Vomero 18s, but definitely not a bigger size. God dang it. Dang it. Oh wait, there's one right here, but this color is not really working. But also the price, $150, a little bit higher than I want. Infinity Run 4s. I don't know how they're still making these. I don't understand, especially since they got that different line. $100. Jordan 1 MM. Oh my goodness. I'm so not a fan of these. Are you guys a fan of all this stuff right here? Trying to be different, just to be different, not necessarily to be good, in my opinion. I don't even know what the F those are called. So yeah, there's a tag on them. These mids right here, are they extended size price? Nope, $100. Pegasus going for $80. Gamma Forces down here. Yeah, no price tag though, dang it. There are more normal women's sizes over here. Let's get through the crowds real quick. It's not too bad, but there's more people than in the bigger section. $135 for the Vomeros. Cortez, the nylon ones right here, $65. Plenty of these A1 All-Star Weekends for $90. Ooh, starting to see some of these bad boys right here. The Pegasus Premiums, $155. Are we gonna see the Vomero Premiums eventually? Another one down here. See if any of them are Miss Smart. Nope, $135. Got mids right here. I'm not digging that colorway though. Jordan 4RMs, $110. These Jordan out. Do these kind of remind me of the Ginas? I don't know. $130. Oh, these Jordan 1. Those right here, they're an SS. I don't even know what that stands for, but got that faux gator skin, $80. Seeing if any of these are mispriced. Nope. Those are with these Zoom flies right here, $120. These ones right here, canvas, they're $90. I think that's about it. All right, let's check out the aisles and then hit up some more stores. $115. Jordan 1 low denims, Field Generals, got Air Max 270s. Yeah, I'll still go for retail. Got Rejuvenates. Entire row of dunks, well, almost, but bunch of different colorways right here with regular laces. Some of these got ribbon laces. Couple of Tez's right here. This price going way down. Jordan 1 mids. Got these right here. That's the cheapest we've seen these. We're up to size 12. What the hell? Some Initiators, and these got ZoomX on them though. Generic ones with ZoomX. And of course they got Forces, Pegasus Premium, Vomero 18s in 2 different colorways. Like I said, 3 different colorways. This white one matches with anything. All right, let's go hit up some more stores. We got time. All right, let's check out this store as well. 40% off clearance. So of course I'm looking for yellow tags on the back. Super bright yellow signs in the aisles. I did walk over here to the women's section and look at this. Super Comp Elites right here, the NYC version, $130, 40% off. That comes out to like $80. I think $80. Do I really need them? No, not really. Not really, but crazy comfortable marathon running shoe for $80. Should I check to see if I could order my size? I don't know. I'm thinking about it. They got fresh for more V6s. That's the latest model right here. Holy crap, that's the latest one. It looks the same as the V5s. That's the one that I have. But look at this, $120. These retail for like $165, $170 or something like that. You get them an extra 40% off. I only see a size 7 though, like a return or something. The women's section, they also have $574. I still trying to figure out why it says $574, but $80 for those. They got additional sizes right here of these Super Comp Elite in the women's section. They got these Super Comp Trainers, $180, $880s. They're less cushiony running shoe right here, $130. Other Super Comp Elites. Yeah, see, I don't know if they're mismarked or what. Those are marked at $250. That one marked $180. BBW 550s right here, $100. Fuel Cell Rubble V5's $100. Isn't too many 1080s or anything. Got 997s, $90. Remember, you get 40 off. In the women's section, see a lot more running shoes than the men's. Right here, it's almost all casual shoes, like these 990-60s. Super dad shoe or Looks like a dad shoe. Quintessential dad shoe, that is. 990s right here, $100. $100, so $60 after the discount. These are all size 10s. Got these 990s right here as well. 130. These are size 13. T500s right here. One of the crappy Terminators. $60 for these. Another 990 right here. These don't look like 990s. Yeah, 998s. It says 990 right here. Oh, it says 998. My bad. I can't read. 125. I could redo that take, but no, I'm good. I don't care. 990 right here. 130. 990. $100 for that peach one right there. Not crazy how it's all running shoes in the women's, but all casual in the men's right here. 237s. These are going for 60. 996s. $2 for these. Got some 880s right here. 130, but yeah, mostly casual stuff. 550s, 100. See a ton of these. Oh wait, yeah, 996s, 990s. See a lot of those. This is 150 for these. A lot of box tops. They're giving us box tops for a lot of stuff, which is dope. In terms of yellow tags in the aisles, we got these RC42s. This is off of 80. We got these 480s, looking kind of like the Dunks. But yeah, 50 and then 40 off for those, which was at $30 freaking dollars. Then this is not a clearance, so pretty much everything else, buy one, get one 50 off. I have a few things that are excluded from the promo. These are just 880s, I don't know why they're excluded. Then in the women's section, got 327s, 880s right here, one at 30, 40 off. And that's pretty much about it, Are they all out of the 1080 V14s? The V15s came out now, so did they get rid of all their 1080s? They got a couple of V14s left right here. 150, buy one, get one 50% off. Oh, that one's 100. This one's 100, so if you get two of them, it'd be 150 for two. And I got this one right here, 530 right here, but not too many other yellow tags. Oh, we got these 574s. These actually don't look bad. I just realized they have the right shoe on display. Almost everybody else has left. Shoes, $90 right here. And then in the women's everything, buy one, get one 50 off. Pretty big crowds here. I think that's it, you guys. I think that's it. Got more coming. We out.